Butnu Production.
Hi, my name's Dave O Butnu. I moved to China a year ago, and I thought you might want to know what living in China is like. I've cut out all the boring bits, like work. This is the diary of my adventures. Since the last episode, we had our school Halloween party. Guess which one I am? That's right, I'm the cardboard knight. I also explored the local area a bit more with Blake. I found this nice hilltop park which lights up at night, and a pagoda too. Rachel introduced me to a local hiking group. This is my first outing with them. We were looking for a big waterfall, but we must have taken a wrong turn. We found this instead. We tried to climb these stairs, but noticed they were so rusted they were no longer attached. That was a bit scary, so we just chilled by this pool and had a swim. Oh, and we also found a bowling alley. By now, Rachel and I had become an item, and she asked me to move in with her. She already had 2 dogs, so now we had 3. The apartment was a lot nicer too. And it was around this time we met this guy. He was crazy, but he would in time become a really good friend. I also got invited to a party in Shanghai again. My agency rented a fancy Airbnb mansion downtown with 8 bedrooms and a lot of booze. And by now, Xmas was coming. Here, schools have to work through the Christmas, but we still managed to celebrate with our friend Camilla. I was pretty pleased with my roast dinner. Yum yum. For New Year's, Rachel surprised me with some last-minute tickets to Taiwan. Taipei's fireworks are renowned for being world-class. Take a look for yourself.
Happy New Year!
My arms are hurting a little bit because I'm so short. Oh God! Oh my God!
Whoa!
Palm trees, by the way. God, this is so cool.
Happy New Year!
After the fireworks, we found a nearby club to celebrate. We really had the best New Year's. The next day, we found an all-vegan Indian restaurant, which blew my mind. Then, we flew back to Wenzhou, feeling optimistic about the year ahead, 2020. Looking back now, the giant spider that greeted us was clearly an omen. That's it for episode 3. Next time, see what happens when the virus lands. Uh-oh. It's funny, looking back, I swear a lot more happened in 2019. I like the sound effect at the end. Still, that was quite exciting, wasn't it? Okay, bye!
Butnu Productions.